Hi, little yogi. Okay, today we are going to play a game with yoga story. Okay, we are going to do asana with yoga story. Which story you like? Which cartoon you like? Oh, is it so? Okay, let's make the story with Tom and Jerry. Okay, it's interesting, right? Tom always chases Jerry, and dog always chases Tom, right? It's funny, right? Yes. Okay, let's make Tom and Jerry story. Yes. Tom is a cat. Yes. Jerry is mouse. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Okay, shall we do cat asana? Tom asana? Yes. See how Tom looks like. Tom looks like this. Meow. Mouse looks like this. Jerry looks like this. Okay. Jerry looks like this. See? Knee fold and stretch your hand. Fold your knees and stretch your hand. Yes. And dog looks like this. How a dog sound? See? I do like this. Very good. Very good. Now sit. Okay. Now what happened? Now Tom is searching for Jerry. Search. Tom is searching for Jerry. Oh, Jerry is running there. Let's jog and catch Jerry. Yes. Oh my God, Jerry is running backside. Go, run. Jog. Let's catch Jerry. Yes, very good. Go. Jerry went inside his home. And Jerry is breathing like. Now Tom is not able to get inside Jerry's home. Now what happened? Tom is sitting silently and waiting outside his home. Yeah, Jerry home is like this, very small, right? Yeah. Now Tom is waiting outside his home in sitting position. Yeah. Now what happened? Dog is coming behind. Now Tom is just scared and it is going to run again. Tom is going to run again. Run. Tom is running now. Run. And what did Tom saw a washing machine. Tom saw washing machine is open. Washing machine do swish. So what happened? Tom went inside, jumped inside the washing machine. Yes. Now one person, one lady came and switched on the washing machine. After switching on washing machine, what will happen? It will roll, right? Now Tom is rolling inside the washing machine like this. Tom is rolling inside the washing machine like this. Roll. Yes. Hug your knee and roll. Do this. Roll. Very good. Tom is rolling like this. Yeah, same. Like this, it is rolling. Tom is rolling. Yeah. Now after some time, washing machine stopped. Tom is coming outside like a rag doll. Like this. Do this. Coming outside like a rag doll. He is so tired of rolling inside. Jerry had a plan. Think what Jerry would have done. Think Jerry had a plan. What is a plan? Jerry had a plan like just dropping a table over Tom. Okay. Jerry is going to drop a table over Tom, a big table. Shall we do table pose? Yes, Jerry is going to drop a big table on the Tom's head. See, do table pose. Yes, very good. Now Jerry dropped a big table, pushed a big table on the Tom. Then Tom became sandwich. Tom became like this. Tom became sandwich. How we do sandwich? How we do sandwich? Like this. Do sandwich. Do sandwich. Tom became sandwich like this.